Hey guys, welcome back to another great video of unboxing this. Let's quickly unbox it. These are Sony's Home Theater SA-D40M2. After opening the box, the first thing you will get is this product information booklet. I don't know what's inside this, but later on in the video you will get to see. Then there is a battery and some feeds for our speakers. Next we have this multimedia remote. Then we have this adapter to give power to our speaker along with some other wires. Then we have these 4 sets of satellite speakers along with our subwoofer. This is how the subwoofer looks like and it really feels so premium in hand. The build quality of these speakers are fabulous. It's like Sony has given everything in the build quality instead of giving some extra functions, which I will later on tell you in the video. You can connect the speakers through this port to the subwoofer, and these are all the accessories you will get inside the box. This is how the remote looks like. Then we have this adapter to give power to our subwoofer and speakers. This is a aux cable. These are speaker feeds. Later on I will tell you how to install it on the speakers. This is how you install the feeds which you will get inside the box. You have to remove it one by one and you can install it like this. So we have set up the speaker and we will play the song from aux from this phone. So let's begin. So this has an issue. You can hear this sound, this noise coming from the speaker when you connect this through the aux cable. I didn't expect this from the Sony brand. Before this I have ordered Intex speakers. Intex speaker was also having the same issue, that was creating his sound after connecting through the aux cable. I want to use it on my PC, that's why I bought it, but I'm getting this his sound, so I'm returning this. I have talked with Amazon. They are saying you have to replace it from the service center. After that, if they deny. Talking about the cons of this speaker, you cannot control bass separately from the volume. When you increase the volume, the bass will automatically increase, and when you will decrease the volume, the bass will automatically decrease. Other than this, I didn't face any issue. I had to return that unit because I was facing some issues with the sound. There was some his sound coming from the speakers. I bought them to use it with my computer, but I am not able to use it with the aux cable. Then there is no point to buy that product. So I was able to return it through Amazon only because Sony was saying to bring it to the service center, which was not feasible for me. So that's it for this video. If you liked the video, do subscribe the channel and share it to someone who is planning to buy speakers in 2026.